how to install WhatsApp without Microsoft Store in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to install WhatsApp without the Microsoft Store in your Windows 10 or 11, then first you open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, now what you need to do is simply go for search. And under search, you need to search for Windows Desktop Download. And once you search for it, you just need to simply scroll down, and here you will have up to down. So you just need to simply go with that, click on that website. Once you click on it, you will get this kind of interface where you can simply scroll down, and here you will have the download option. So if you want to download, then you can simply click on the download button, and you can go with the upper right, which has that download option, and go with full download history, and go with the three dots, which is on the upper right, and then go with download unverified file, and it will start the downloading process. And after that, you need to double click on the file once it's downloaded. And here you will get the install option. You can simply click on install, and your WhatsApp will be installed. So in my case, I've already installed the WhatsApp. So it's saying WhatsApp is already installed. So if you get the install option, you can simply go with install. So in this way, you'll be able to install WhatsApp without Microsoft Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.